tilted towards left side. 1% of population on the right side. Upper chamber, lower chamber, then it is going major blood vessel. See here? When you press hard, it is compressing the chambers, right? Whatever the filled in blood in the ventricles, it is going out. Touching inappropriately. There is a proper method. Shoulders. See here. Shoulders. Hello sir. Hello madam. Hello sir. Hello madam. 3 taps is enough.
Hello sir. Now there is no response. Okay. So now I know there's something serious happening here. So I have to take a step.